All right, so we just got to Kotor, and that's in Montenegro. And I wanted to show everyone the Airbnb. I'm actually very pleased with this one so far. There hasn't been any issues, or we haven't found anything broken. Everything seems to be functioning properly. But this is just the entryway here. Nice, fairly modern windows and doors. And yeah, let's go ahead and head in. So Rachel's here in the bathroom.
I'm just checking out this little basket of
Goodies.
supplies and whatnot.
Oh, nice. So there's a stand-up shower, and basically this is your Balkans water heater. That's about how you're gonna heat your water in most of these countries. There's a bidet, toilet. We got a washing machine, sink, window. I'm trying not to get the view out the window because I want that to be the last thing I show you because it's a really nice view. A little dining area here, vaulted ceiling. We got a little oven and stovetop here, and fridge, and then your essentials. There's some pans and dishes and things. I noticed there was a couple of spots, like there's a little spot to stash your shoes, and just maybe a little spot to stash some stuff in there. 2 couches and TV, which is really nice. I think every Airbnb we've stayed in so far on our Balkan trip has just had just one really uncomfortable couch. And then here's the bed. Come around here to the corner. So the bathroom, the living room, and this bedroom all have the same view, which is great. So that's the sliding storage shelves. And then here's the bed. Pretty nice. It's like they've got an oil heater there. There was also a ductless AC unit. Let's see, where is it? Just here. And I'm gonna step out onto the patio so you can see this freaking view. What? Pretty nice. So this is the Adriatic Sea, and that's within the Mediterranean. Correct me if I'm incorrect about that, but I think that's about how it goes. And then this is just the patio here. There's actually a restaurant just there. And yeah, just an amazing view. Let's go back. This will be our morning view here, just out of the window. Pretty legit. I hope you enjoyed the view of our Airbnb here in Kotor. I will put in the description a link that will allow anyone who is signing up for the first time and upon first booking a credit for their first stay. And also I'll include the link for the unit itself on Airbnb so that you can check current prices and go through the amenities and things of that nature. But yeah, thanks for watching.